You think MicroStrategy is just a Bitcoin holding company? You think Michael Saylor is just a Bitcoin maxi? That's cute. What they're really doing is building a financial superweapon, one that might swallow entire industries, even nations. Most people look at MicroStrategy and say, oh, it's a Bitcoin proxy stock. It's a hedge against inflation. Saylor just loves Bitcoin. Wrong. You're watching chess and calling it checkers. What they're building is a corporate empire powered by the hardest money on earth. Here's the big idea. Hyper-Bitcoinization is coming. Everything, your home, stocks, retirement, will eventually be priced in Satoshis. MicroStrategy owns over 597,000 BTC, worth more than $64 billion. But they're not just holding. They're stockpiling economic gravity, the most pristine collateral ever created. So, what's the move? Strategy offers 0% interest convertible bonds to struggling companies. The company gets billions in lifeline capital. But the bonds convert into $MSTR stock, backed by their exploding Bitcoin balance sheet. As BTC goes up, so does $MSTR. The deal becomes irresistible. The target company voluntarily merges into the MicroStrategy beast. And now the flywheel begins. 1. $MSTR acquires an energy company. 2. Uses its energy to mine BTC in power operations. 3. BTC rises, $MSTR rises, acquires the next company. This isn't a hedge. It's a corporate black hole pulling in capital, infrastructure, and entire sectors. Legacy finance? They're toast. Blackstone squeezes for a 20% return. MicroStrategy's collateral appreciates at 40% plus annually just by existing. And as Bitcoin becomes global money, $MSTR's cost of capital approaches zero. They'll be able to acquire companies for almost nothing. But what if Bitcoin crashes? Relax. MicroStrategy's leverage is conservative. They're not gamblers, they're strategists. A BTC crash? For them, it's a buying opportunity. While everyone else is panicking, $MSTR is shopping the bargain bin. First energy, then tech, then real estate. Eventually, governments. Insolvent pensions will need BTC exposure. The easiest path? Buying $MSTR stock. MicroStrategy becomes the treasury manager for nations. A private sector central bank, a sovereign economic force. This isn't a company anymore. It's a mathematically driven acquisition engine fueled by the collapse of fiat. This is the final boss of capitalism, the player who figured out the game before anyone else. So stop watching CNBC and start watching the real game. The age of strategy has begun.